Hi, I'm Christian with ApplianceVideo.com. Today we're going to take a look at the modular display on this Fisher Paykel AeroCare steam dryer. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. A faulty modular display, also known as the user interface on this Fisher & Paykel dryer, will give you the following symptoms. The unit will not turn on and the unit will not power up. It will also display these error codes, an ED, 157, and 105. To begin this repair, we first must remove the console assembly. To remove the console assembly, we must first remove the two screws on the back of the console.
Click on the link below to view this repair video. ApplianceVideo.com guides you step by step, giving you the confidence to avoid recalls and callbacks, also saving time on repairs. Whether you're up against an uncommon repair or the latest appliance on the market, our videos have been created with you in mind. Our growing library of videos have been produced using our factory-certified technicians who have extensive infield experience over the past 30 years. ApplianceVideo.com provides high-quality repair videos that anyone can follow, regardless of their skill level. We are here to help. Click on the link below to view this repair video and let us help you do it right the first time.